This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use simple cleansing oil, only way. Apply a coin-size amount to dry skin and massage in circular motions to dissolve makeup and sunscreen. Pay attention to eye makeup and hairline, using gentle pressure without tugging. Add a splash of water to emulsify until the oil turns milky, then rinse completely and follow with your usual water-based cleanser if desired for a double cleanse. Begin with dry skin and press a coin-size amount of cleansing oil into palms. Massage over face for 30 to 60 seconds using gentle, circular motions to lift dirt, oil, and makeup. Splash warm water to emulsify the oil until it turns milky, then continue to rinse until no residue remains. If you want extra clean, follow with a mild water-based cleanser to complete a comfortable double cleanse that leaves skin balanced and soft. Adjust the amount of oil based on your skin type, using less for oily skin and a touch more for dry skin. Always emulsify thoroughly with water so the oil lifts and rinses clean, preventing residue that can clog pores. For sensitive eyes, keep lashes closed and use gentle outward strokes to dissolve mascara without rubbing. If irritation or breakouts appear, switch to a lighter cleansing oil and confirm removal with a second water-based cleanse when needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.